Hi there, students. A choir and a chorus. What's the difference? Well, both of these are a group of singers, an organised group of people singing. I think the main difference is a choir is in a church. A church may have a group of people who come together to practice and then sing at the services. It's not the general congregation. Normally they're sitting near the priest and they are the choir. A chorus is a organised group of singers, but we also use it in other ways. Let's see, the origin of both of these words is the same. They both come from the Greek word, the ancient Greek word choros. And in an ancient Greek play, you would have the action, and then there would be a group of people or a group of characters who would comment on the action. And that was called the chorus. And this was typical in any ancient Greek play. So a choir, the group of singers that belong to a church and go and practice and sing in the services of that church. A chorus, a group of singers in any other context. Notice, we can also use chorus as a group of people who are all saying the same thing together. When the minister announced the news, there was a chorus of complaints. A lot of people complained all at the same time. When I asked the children if they wanted to go to the seaside, they all answered yes in chorus at the same time. A chorus of voices, a group of people saying the same thing at the same time. So we've moved the meaning to a group of people speaking at the same time as opposed to singing together. I think that a choir is effectively the chorus of a church. Yeah, the group of singers. But you can do things in chorus. You do them together. If we all pull in chorus, if we all pull at the same time, then we are going to move this heavy rock. Okay, so in chorus, meaning together at the same time. There was a chorus of voices supporting the idea. So many people at the same time saying, we think this is great, we think this is great. Okay, so remember the choir is in the church. And the chorus, I think more normally we would use a chorus to mean people speaking at the same time. I read that there's a machine called a chorus that if you have one voice and you're making electronic music, you can make it sound like a group of voices all together. That's a chorus in itself, isn't it? Okay? So, the choir in the church singing. A chorus, a group of people singing, normally not in a church. But we're using this meaning together at the same time. Yeah, all doing the same thing or with the same objective. The workers at this company need to work in chorus if we're going to be successful. Now, formality. Well, choir, it's a technical word. It describes something. And you can use this in the most informal conversation and the most formal document. So it's completely flexible. And I think a chorus of voices, again, informally, in a conversation or in a very formal setting. I think using this phrase in chorus you can use in both frameworks, formal and informal, and it's a good way of avoiding saying together. Yeah? Okay? The nations of the European Union are very often not in chorus about the policies that need to be implemented. Okay, so it's a good alternative for the phrase to do something together, to do something in chorus. So having watched this video, I'm sure in chorus you're all going to give it a like and say it's the best video you've ever seen. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Choir and chorus.